welcome back. Today I'm going to explain to you what parenting is and what can you use it for. For example, let's make a div and call it parent1 and open the style sheet and style it parent1 with height, width, and a background color red. And if we go to the website, you can see we have now a red box that we call parent1. So let's make another one and call it class, let's call it div1 and style it also div1 and give it a height of 200 pixels and a width of 200 pixels. Let's make it a box and a background color of blue. And if you go back to the website, you can see the blue box is beneath the red box. And if you're making a website for someone, you want the two boxes to be inside of each other. You want to put a different things in the same place, and that's what parenting does. Like, this is the opening for the div and this is the closing. So whatever is inside here is going to be inside of this div. So for example, if I remove the delete and I put it after the other div and I refresh the page, I have the two boxes in each other's. And that's what parenting does. You can make multiple divs of it. Like if I copy this and I give it a different name and I style it like this and I change the background color of it black and green and I refresh the page, I should have 4 boxes. So the box was actually not big enough to fit all 4 of it in one box. So what you can do is making this bigger, like 600 by 600. So all of this fit. So now I should see only the half of the box is red. Yeah, that's what parenting does. You can put a div inside of another div inside of another div. That's good for, like, if you're making a menu card for a restaurant, then you can put image, price, title, and the description in one place. You don't have to make multiple divs and style multiple times to have it in the place you want. I hope you learned from this video and let me know what I should explain next. Goodbye.